Well, we have a 30-gallon barrel here. This should be tall enough that the rats can't jump out. Today for Mousetrap Monday, we're going to test out this latest greatest version of the automatic 3D printed walk the plank style rat trap. This looks like a rat catching machine. Now I've already featured a smaller version in past videos designed for catching mice, but so many YouTube viewers contacted the inventor and requested that he make a larger version for rats. I tested out the earlier prototypes with rats and gave some recommendations, and now we have the final product, the ultimate 3D printed rat trap. What I like so much about this version is the whole plank tips all the way in the back, so when the rat's sitting here, it will drop down. It runs on 4 AA batteries, has a sensor up front, so the rat will go up there, hit the sensor, and drop, and then it resets itself, and with one set of batteries, it will reset itself for over 100 times, so you could catch a lot of rats. I really worked on mounting it solid to the bucket so the rat will feel safe and stable until it hits the sensor. It looks like it's going to work, so let's go set up the motion cameras in the barn and see how many rats we can catch with a 3D printed walk the plank rat trap. Well, after reviewing the motion camera footage, I learned a few things. The first thing I learned is rats can jump much higher than I thought. This is a 30-gallon barrel and it sits right at 26 inches tall, and the rat leaped out of it like it was nothing. Those are some serious hops. Now obviously I tried to make it a live catch trap for YouTube, but if I was trying to do pest control, I put water in the bottom and that wouldn't be a problem. And this is so sensitive, it would work for both mice and rats. It's really a great trap, especially with the new and improved designs, the stouter motor, and this back part that goes down. The rat didn't have a chance. It felt it was very solid. It went out, hit the sensor, and got dunked. So thank you so much to the YouTube viewer up in Alaska for inventing this and sending me one to test out. Also, thanks for the moose jerky. That was really good. On this channel, I try to test out every mouse and rat trap I can get my hands on. I've posted over 700 videos on YouTube, and currently I'm posting new videos every Monday and Friday. So if you want to see the best videos on how to catch mice, rats, squirrels, chipmunks, moles, voles, and gophers, stay tuned.